Hello student, myself Minal Pawar. Today we are going to learn subject physics, 8 number topic electrostatics. Now last lecture we already have seen the electric potential due to the electric dipole. That equation is V is equal to P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon r square. And one more points we have seen last lecture, the electrostatic potential energy due to the system of the charges. That equation also, therefore V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon summation I tends to 1 to n qi upon ri square. That ri only, that is the electric potential due to the system of the charges. Now today we are going to learn equipotential surfaces. Now what is mean by equipotential surface? Equipotential surface is that surface at every point of which electric potential is same. That surface every point on the electric potential is same. Surface at which every point of electric potential is same, that each and every point there is electric potential is same, is known as equipotential surface. That equipotential surface means every point is electric potential is same. That equation also, the electric potential due to the point charges. The electric potential due to the point charges, V is equal to that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q into R. In this case, R is constant and V will be also constant due to the equipotential surface. The equipotential surface of single point charges. Now there is single point charges at center which are concentrating. Concentrating means like this, which are concentrating due to the equipotential surfaces. Now next point will be here. The next point is electric potential energy. The electric potential energy of electric potential energy of two point charges. 2 point charges. Now let me see here electric potential due to the 2 point charges. Now last lecture we already have seen what is mean by electric potential energy. Now today we are going to learn electric potential energy of the 2 point charges. Now when there are two like charges, if there are two like charges, there will be positive charges, there will be negative charges. These are both are the like charges. If the two like charges, if positive or negative, these two like charges, that is infinite distance, the two charges are infinite distance, there is zero potential energy. These are infinite distance because the both are same charges. If there are infinite distance, there is no potential energy. There is no potential energy, that means there is no work done. Work done is, that is the one types of the electric potential energy. So there is no work done, there is no potential energy when moving from one charge from infinite distance to the present location. If any one charge, if infinite distance, the charges will be infinite distance bringing to the present location. Mean charge bringing from the present location. If charge is infinite distance, if their charge will be there infinite distance to bringing from present location, there will be work is done. The work is done, that is the electric potential energy. There is one types of electric potential energy. These two charges brought close to each other, so there is work is done. There is some displacement is produced. The displacement into force is one types of the work done. So there is electric potential also produced. Now what is mean by electric potential energy? Electric potential energy to system point charges is defined as total amount of work done. Now the total amount of work done to assemble the system of charges, bringing from the infinity to their present location. Now once again see electric potential energy of 2 point charges is defined as electric potential energy of 2-point charges is defined as the total amount of work done. The total amount of work done. The total amount of work done that is assemblies or to be assembled the system of charges. Means there are different system of the charges. We have to use here two system of the charges. Assemble the system of the charges bringing from infinite to present location. Infinite to the present location, that is mean by electric potential energy. That is the one type of electric potential energy. Now let me see the expression for electric potential energy of 2-point charges. Now new syllabus, their point in 12th standard, but their older syllabus this point was in 11th standard. Now today we are going to learn electric potential energy of 2-point systems charges. Now see here, now already I told you this definition of electric potential energy means that total amount of the work done. The total amount of the work done to the assemblies the system of the charges from infinity to present location. Now this diagram, by using this diagram, now see here, this diagram x and y axis is given here. Let us consider here also 2-point charges. Here Q1 and Q2 2-point charges here. This Q1 at A point and Q2 at B point. R1 is the distance from the origin, R2 is the distance from the origin, that is Q2. Now that is R1 and R2 is position vector also. R1 and R2 is position vectors. That position vectors means here is position vector is given to R1 and R2 is position vector of A and B points to the origin O. These two charges Q1 and Q2. Here two charges Q1 and Q2 initially. Now here shown this diagram, but this initially Q1 and Q2 are infinite distance. Initially this Q1 and Q2 are infinite. That infinite distance. Now that determine the work done to bringing the charges to given location by external agents. These points are infinite distance. We have to bring these two charges in present location. Now there are infinite distance, point Q1, Q2 is infinite. To bring this Q1, Q2 in this present location, there is need of that external agency. By using this external agency, their work is done. Now first of all we have to see from bringing the charge Q1 to the position A, they are bringing the charge. First of all we have to see the bringing the charge Q1 to the present location A, but there is no work done. There is no work done. Once again see here, don't make confusion here. Now this Q1 and Q2 infinite distance. The distance is infinite distance. We have to bring the Q1 and Q2 in the present location. There is need of work done. For doing work done, there is external field is necessary. By using external field, these two charges bringing to the present location. Now first of all see, we have to bring the Q1 charge into point A, but there is no work done. There is no work done. There is no external electric field against the so there is no work done. Therefore work done need to the charge that Q2 at still infinity. Their Q2 is infinity, but their Q1 is Q1 is at that place. There is no need of work done. So here is work done. W1 is equal to 0. Here is W1 is 0. The W1 work done is to bringing the charges from infinity to present location. Now electric potential in space is equal to electric potential. There is V1 electric potential 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 R1. Equation 1. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 R1. R1 is the distance from the center to the distance from the point A from the origin O. That V1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 R1. Now we have to bring the charge Q2. That's Q1 is present location. There is no work done, but Q2 is still now in infinity distance. We have to bring the Q2 from infinity to point B, here BR2. The distance from bringing from infinity is R12. The distance from bringing from infinity R12 from point Q1 to Q2. Here we have to bring this Q2 infinity to here. The distance between there is R12. Distance between there is R12. There is work is done. That work done is W2 is equal to potential at point B. Potential at point B due to charge. Due to which one charge we have to bring? Due to charge. This Q1 charge. Q1 charge. Their potential already Q1 charge having the potential. That which charge bringing to present location? Q2. So we have to write Q2 here. So W2 is equal to that 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 R12 Q2. Equation second. Q1 R12, that is W2 is equal to, once again see, we have to bring in the Q2 charge which is infinity distance to the present location. Their distance R12 from point A to B there. So work is done. That WT is equal to potential at point B due to which one charge? Q1 charge. And which one charge bringing from infinity to present location? Q2. So we get this equation W2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 R12. Therefore AB is equal to R12. AB is equal to R12. Here these were done bringing the two charges. These were done bringing two charges in present location. Their work is done. This work done stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy. This work done stored in the form of electrostatic potential energy. That due to the configuration of system, so U is equal to, therefore we can write U is equal to, that U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R12. That is electrostatics potential energy due to the 2-point charges. U means electrostatics potential energy due to the 2-point charges. Now once again see definition. I will revise. See, electric potential energy of 2-point charges. The total work done to the assemblies the system of the charges from infinity to present location. That two charges Q1 and Q2 are infinite distance. To bring the present location, there is work is done. The W2 is the work done to bring the Q1 and Q2 charges from infinity to present location. There is electric potential energies produced. That electric potential energy is U is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 R12. Now next article is electric potential energy of the system of electric potential energy of n-point charges. Electric potential energy of n-point charges here. Now we had learned electric potential energy of 2-point charges. Now we are going to learn electric potential energy of n-point charges. Now last equation. Now see here, U is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 R12. This equation shows that is electric potential energy 2-point charges. Now the system of n-point charges. Here is 2 charges. Now we have to take here Q3 charges. Now Q3 charges, that Q3 charges bringing from this Q3 charges bringing from infinity to point C. For Q1, Q2 we have to use A and B point. For Q3 we have to use C point. The Q3 charges bringing from infinity to point C, their work has done to the against the charge forces of charges Q1 and Q2. This Q3 charges bringing from infinity to C point. Here there is work is done. Work done against the which one 2 charges? Q1 and Q2 charges. There is work is done. That work done is W3. W3 is equal to potential at point C due to Q1 and Q2 into Q3. That of 2 charges of potential and Q3 charges is infinity distance. Then W3 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon. Here Q1. Now Q1 charges bringing from here R1 and 3 plus Q2 R2 3 into Q3, because third charges we have to bringing from infinity to present location. This third charges. So we have to write here 3, and already Q1 charges of distance R1, Q2 charges of distance R2. Now here is Q3 charges we have to bringing from their present location. Now combining we can write W3 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon, that multiplying here Q1 Q3 R13 plus Q2 Q3 R23. Combined we can write. Here is which one charges we have to use here? Third charges. Similarly for fourth charges, when fourth charges from infinite distance, the bringing from infinity, this infinity Q1 Q4 charges infinity distance, infinity to point D. Similarly we get here, similarly Q1 charges bringing from infinity. For Q3 we have to use C, Q4 we have to use D, Q3 is equal to same. That similarly Q4 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon Q1, here Q1 Q4 upon R14 plus in bracket Q2 Q4 upon R24 plus Q3 Q4 upon R34. Same as. If there is third charges bringing from C, we have to use 2 charges. When fourth charges bringing from infinity point D, we have to use 3 charges. That W4 is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon Q1 Q4 R14 plus Q2 Q4 R24. Because fourth charges bringing to present location, so necessarily we have to write here R1, R2, R3. Therefore, that electrostatic potential energy. electrostatic potential energy for n point charges. Here is 3 point charges we have seen, 4 point charges we have to see, but we have to find the electric potential of n point charges. Therefore, n point charges, their distances, the position vector there will be r1, r2, dash dash rn is needed. So that is n point charges, we can write electric potential energy. The work done is one type of electric potential energy. Therefore, last equation, final electric potential energies equation for n point charges, we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. That combinedly, here is q1, q4, r1, r4 plus like this, there is n numbers. So we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon summation. There is n numbers, so all points we have to take summation because there is n numbers, so we have to take summations. There is qj qk upon rjk because here is n number, that is electric potential energy of n point charges. Now I hope now whatever I telling you are will understand, because that is electric potential of n point charges, there is n number, so we get last equation u is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon summation all point qj qk rjk upon rjk. This is last equation. This is last equation. So thank you very much.